Always check this before you build it in. This would be the last part of the dome. By the looks of it, we got a motor, a gear, so that should finish off the dome.
And we are getting really close to when we are going to start building the rest of the Dalek.
Alright, let's open up and have a look. So let's start with the screws. And as per usual, we put them in a little tray. Now what I actually wanted to do, this is just a leftover plastic lid, but I wanted to 3D print one with a neodymium magnet in the bottom, so I would never ever lose any more screws. And the other advantage is you would slightly magnetize the screws, so it makes them easier to screw in. Now let's see what we got in here. This should be the gear. Yep, the gear. And last but not least, our DC motor. And here we go. And I wonder if we can test this with our battery and our cable extender. Let's see if it actually works. Let's plug this one back in. Okay. Switch it off. Yep, it's off. Let's connect this one. And I'll let you do the honors. Switch it on.
Switching it on.
Yep. Oh yeah. Okay, let's have a look here. Nice. Okay. Very, very smooth. Let's carefully disconnect it. We have a part that we used last time, and we got to insert the motor, but how? Is there a particular orientation? I don't think it matters, because it's just rotating, so it shouldn't really matter. Seems to be centered, the shaft, so we can just push it in, and there we go. Nice. Alright, now we need to lock this, and again it's fully symmetric, so it doesn't matter which way you put it on. And this should keep the motor in place. It's pretty straightforward, isn't it? And we just got 2 screws. At this point in time, you don't really need the instructions. It's very well designed. So tighten the screws, but don't fully tighten yet. Just put them in. You don't want to put too much stress on one side. And yeah, it looks good. Okay, now we can carefully tighten them. Now be aware, these plastic bits don't have any metal threads, so don't tighten them too fast because you will destroy it. You can only do it once. And then you need to re-thread and put in bigger screws, so be very, very careful. The last bit is the gear radio. And let's see, looks like we have to put it in with that shaft extending. Let's have a look. No, there's not much information. Okay. Let's see. Let's match the shaft, shall we? A little flat bit. So you just match it up and it should just slide right in. Not really. There we go. Now that we added the cog, you kind of want to know if it still rotates, if it's not too close to the housing or if it's too much friction. So let's get the battery pack out again and do a quick test. And switch it on. And beautiful. As you can see, no issue, just enough clearance for it to not hit the bottom. There you can see the light in between, so no, it's perfect. Excellent. Always check this before you build it in. Let's have a look at the dome. Now I assume this will be used to rotate, so there's no location where you can mount it yet. So I think we're going to start at building the collar. All right, that's it for now.
Bye.